In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know who follows your Spotify profile and playlist. Before we start, a quick reality check. Spotify doesn't reveal a complete searchable list of everyone who follows you or your playlists. Still, there are a couple of built-in views that show limited follower information, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find them and what they mean. Let's begin with your profile. Open the Spotify app on your phone or desktop. Once you're in, tap or click your profile name or your profile picture to open your profile menu, then choose View Profile. On your profile page, look for the section that shows how many followers you have and tap or click that follower count. Spotify will display a list of some accounts that follow you. Think of this as a snapshot rather than a full roster. Depending on the version of the app and regional updates, not all followers may appear, and the list may change over time. If you're using desktop, the layout might look a little different than on mobile, but the steps are the same. Head to your profile, then open the followers count. If the count is visible but the list seems short, that's normal and reflects Spotify's current privacy and display limits. Also, a quick tip. If you recently gained followers, give the app a moment or two to refresh. Counts and lists don't always update instantly. Now let's check your playlists. From the Spotify home screen, go to your library, then open the playlist you want to review. Right beneath the playlist title, you'll see a number that indicates how many people follow or like that playlist. On Spotify, these followers are essentially people who have saved or liked the playlist, which is why you'll sometimes see the label shown as likes. Here's the important part. Spotify does not show the names of those followers for playlists. You'll only see the total count. That means you can monitor growth over time and understand which playlists are resonating, but you can't identify exactly who liked them. If you collaborate on a playlist with others, you'll still only see the total followers or likes under the title, not a full list of the individuals who follow it. And that's it. You now know how to view limited follower information on your profile and how to see the follower or like count for any playlist. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.